Water resources in East Africa are dramatically decreasing. Climate change, population growth, and tensions in the region are making the task of managing this scarce and yet vital resource even more difficult. Egypt, Ethiopia, Kenya, and Sudan are the main Nile Basin nations, where agriculture consumes up to 75% of the available fresh water. Governments, local authorities, research bodies, and cooperation projects are already working to develop sustainable models for agricultural water use. WattDev starts from here to build a knowledge-sharing system for the sustainable management of watersheds in the region, able to enhance innovation and eradicate poverty. Currently, effective water and agriculture management practices are applied in a scattered way and on a local level. But how can they be replicated in other territories to address current needs and future climate scenarios? What impact will these practices have in the long term? Will they remain successful if implemented on a larger scale? WattDev works to find a comprehensive methodology to collect, assess, and adapt the best management practices in East Africa. The results of this activity will be condensed into a water management toolbox at the service of rural communities, entrepreneurs, scientists, and decision-makers. An online interface will allow end users to input data, simulate agronomic scenarios, and assess the impacts of the selected management practices on the socio-economic and environmental system. This toolbox will be made possible thanks to the vital role of farmers, researchers, and policymakers. WattDev involves these stakeholders in a series of activities aimed at feeding the toolbox with data, desired scenarios, and best management practices. The toolbox, in turn, will deliver optimized solutions and their potential impact, together with clear indications on how to implement them. Through the joint efforts of all key actors, the East African region can cope with the present and future global challenges and contribute to a more sustainable global food system. WattDev, climate-smart water management and sustainable development for food and agriculture in East Africa. www.wattdev.eu